Pros and cons of Melamine kitchen cabinets. Dear friends, Melamine kitchen cabinet has become an increasingly popular choice for modern kitchens due to its affordability, durability, and easy maintenance. Melamine is an incredibly durable and versatile material made from resin plastic paper that is permanently fused to a particle board, MDF, or fiberboard substrate, with a pressure of 300 to 500 pounds per square inch. This process makes it resistant to moisture, heat, stains, chipping, peeling, and delamination. However, like any other material, it has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of Melamine kitchen cabinets. Melamine kitchen cabinetry pros. Cost-effective. One of the biggest advantages of Melamine kitchen cabinetry is its cost-effectiveness. Compared to other materials like solid wood or stainless steel, Melamine is significantly less expensive. Durability. Melamine is a highly durable material that can withstand everyday wear and tear. It is resistant to scratches, stains, and moisture, making it an excellent choice for kitchens, where spills and messes are common. Easy maintenance. Melamine kitchen cabinets are easy to clean and maintain. They can be wiped down with a damp cloth and mild soap, and stains can be easily removed with a cleaning solution. Versatility. Melamine is available in a wide variety of colors, patterns, and textures, making it a versatile material that can be used to achieve a range of design styles. It can mimic the look of other materials like wood, stone, and metal, without the associated cost. Eco-friendly. Melamine is made from renewable materials, such as wood fibers and resin. It is also recyclable, making it an eco-friendly choice for homeowners who are conscious of environmental impact. Melamine kitchen cabinetry cons. Limited customization. While melamine is available in a range of colors and patterns, it is not as customizable as other materials like solid wood. It cannot be stained or painted, limiting homeowners' options for customization. Not heat resistant. Melamine is not heat resistant, so hot pots and pans should not be placed directly on the surface. This can result in damage to the material, such as warping or discoloration. Less authentic look. While melamine can mimic the look of other materials, it is not as authentic as the real thing. For homeowners who are looking for a natural look and feel, solid wood or stone may be a better choice. Limited repair options. If melamine is damaged, it cannot be repaired in the same way as other materials. In most cases, the damaged section will need to be replaced entirely, which can be costly and time-consuming. In conclusion, Melamine kitchen cabinetry has a lot of advantages, including affordability, durability, and easy maintenance. However, it also has some drawbacks, such as limited customization and the potential for damage from heat. Ultimately, the decision to choose Melamine kitchen cabinetry will depend on individual homeowners' preferences and priorities. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.